Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So it is Tuesday. So if you missed it, I was live with Eve on her channel. I'll leave her link for her YouTube channel in the description box below. And also I'll leave Nicole's links for her dolls, her dies. And so here is San, and she is the main body of all her dolls. And in that live, she updated us and told us that you could buy the body separate now in her shop. So her shop is on Etsy. If you guys go check her out, leave the links down below. She's also going to have a live on her YouTube channel, and she's going to do a giveaway. So you guys go follow her on YouTube. I will leave both ladies' information in the description box below. I used two of the dies today. I used San, S-A-N-N-E, as the main body. And then I used Lily, who has the long ponytail, side ponytail. Okay, so I played with those two dies. And these are what they look like. Aren't they cute? I did kind of mess up on the eyes, you know, but, you know, whatever. It's, what do they call these? My prototype. But isn't she so cute? I did put some foam underneath to give the depth right here for her head and her glasses and some of the bangs. Just a little bit of depth, right? I think it's so precious. This bow, I believe was supposed to be meant for her hair, but I put it on her collar instead. Just dress it up a little bit. And this is San, minus the bangs. The bangs came from Lily. It came with this die set, but I put it together, and I love, love, love. I didn't get to put any details on her face, like some pink for the cheeks. I didn't get to do all that. And you can see you need a really fine tip liner pen so you don't get messed up like I did here. Really, really bad. So if you can see that. And I love her curly cues on her right there. So cute. I put some over her shoulder, just a little, to give some, you know, dimension to the curly cues. Love it. Oh, and the glasses part came from the Lily girl, the Lily die set. And it has a layered piece. And you can see it's a very thin layer piece, and it just has that extra touch to it. Love it, love it, love it. San, you are so cute. And then here is another Lily version, and with Lily comes also these little teeny tiny flowers. So I thought, oh, let me put that in her hair and make it look like a scrunchie. It's still a flower. You can see the layer pieces there. I probably put a pearl in the center just so you know it's a flower. And then these hearts on her shirt is the cutout from the glasses. I just popped it up on the foam and put it on her shirt detail. So yeah, I will probably go back in and use a Q-tip or something and put some cheeks, some blush on her face. And then this one here, we have the same thing. I took the pop out from there, added the gold pieces that I cut out from the glasses, from her glasses here, put it on the heart. And there it looks like a different shirt. Love that. Where the heart is up higher on this one. I was attempting to make it look like a necklace, but I love this die set. I'm just still experimenting as far as with the foam. Next time I'll probably cut them out of the foam with the layering pieces instead of adding that dimensional foam. I'd probably just get a piece of foam sheet like that, maybe brown, and layer it with that so that it's not so obvious. You know what I mean? But she is beautiful. This piece right here is a layer on top. I should have used some foam, but it's still very cute, just like that. Oh my God, I love it. So yeah, go check out Nicole Silhouette in her Etsy shop. I'll leave her information in the description box, but you can find her on YouTube. You want to go follow her on YouTube. She's going to do a giveaway of one of her newer die sets that's going to be coming out soon. And then here on Instagram is where she shares her new releases and stuff like that. So go check her out, guys. She's amazing. She pretty much designs a lot of the die cutting companies that we follow, small companies. So here's the girl Julie. I wanted to play with her shirt, maybe next time when I get a chance. And let me show you the rest. I already had a haul, so you guys know what I have. I did pick up the Melissa girl and the Pixie Witch. This is what comes with her. I wanted to play with her hair. I should have pulled that one out. That is an awesome hair style. And then her face is a little different. They're all different faces. She has longer lashes compared to Lily. And then here's the Melissa girl. She has the hair buns, and then she has a Princess Tiana style dress. And she also comes with flowers, a different style flower. Love that she comes with the, you know, the details. And then here are the layer pieces for the bun for her hair. And her face is different also. She's got a little shorter eyelash set. So just the little details, it makes it really, really cute. Here's the other doll, Jessica. And again, she has a different face, her different hairstyles. She's got the little bob going, little bangs and stuff for the back, you know, the side of her face. And then she also comes with the arms. Notice that the other girls, the other girls don't have the arms. I'm still waiting on my order. It should be coming soon. It has the crafty set, and it has the birthday, or no, Eileen. I keep saying birthday. I don't know why. But anyway, this doll here is called Jessica. She's got the arms, and she's got some layering pieces also. Different kind of shirt. So you've got a lot of ways to play with her. And if you need inspiration, like I said, just go follow Nicole on Instagram. And then she also came out with the boy set. So this is the base for the boy. And this is Ben. It's called Ben. He's got the nice swoop hair like Justin. I don't know what his last name is. It just went blank. So he comes with a shirt and then a puffer jacket layering piece. And then you got the collar, side collars for the puffer. Very cute, this layering piece. And then his face is adorable. So you have this for the boy. And then you have Thomas. And he comes with a hat, layering pieces, the hair again, and then he's got some boy glasses. Really cute. And then this right here is the layering piece for his sweatshirt, you know, the pullover, a hoodie. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm trying to say. Hoodie. So you get a hoodie, you get a baseball cap, and then all the layering pieces to go with it. So cute, you guys. You need to go check her out. If you want these little dollies, you might need to go check her because they sell pretty quick. And I don't know how soon or how often she'll be bringing, you know, bringing the dolls back. You just have to go follow her, and, you know, you'll get all that important information. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll leave the link for Eve's channel and also the link for the live that we had today. So go check it out. It was a lot of fun. We had all kinds of interruptions because my internet is just horrible. And hope to see you all on the next crafty video. Bye.